Right from the very beginning, when we bought the house, property prices were just going absolutely crazy in the area, and we knew that the only way that we could get what we actually wanted was to buy something small and then add to it. When we bought the property, it was in quite a tired state. The staircase had been put in by a previous owner and it was extremely imposing. It really disrupted the flow of downstairs. We had a galley kitchen, we had an old, very, very tatty lean-to, and then 2 double bedrooms upstairs, with the staircase running from the bedroom up to the semi-converted loft. A1, they just knew exactly what they were talking about. It was clear that they'd done this so many times before. We just felt really, really confident right from the very beginning, and we knew that they were just going to handle everything for us and it was going to go really smoothly. With A1, we were absolutely reassured that the amount on the contract would be the amount that we paid. They stuck to budget, absolutely, yes, and they also stuck to timings. They just took the whole process on. We're so happy with it. We love showing it to people and seeing their reactions, because really before we were a little bit ashamed of it, and it just wasn't really, it didn't fit our lifestyle, it wasn't what we wanted, and we didn't feel particularly comfortable living here because it was so cramped and badly laid out. Now it's so much more comfortable to live here, so much more comfortable to live in a house which is suited to your lifestyle and you've chosen yourself and just works for you. We're so proud of it.